Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Palantir. We previously shared a report on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Palantir as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Palantir has shown a remarkable gain of 14.02% since our initial recommendation to buy it just 12 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been providing a daily return of 1.17% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system suggests that there is high volatility and risk anticipated for the upcoming trading day. Consequently, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating even stronger potential for growth. If there is a pullback, there is support at the $20.17 level, which could offer a second opportunity for gains. Some market analysts believe that the stock could reach a resistance level of $24.70 before potentially facing a temporary setback. Looking at the next 3 months, there is a potential 27.84% change in price, with a range of -2.35% to 25.88% returns. Over the next 12 months, the stock could see a significant 126.99% change, with potential returns ranging from 63.78% to 167.55%. This suggests a price range of $33.56 to $54.82 after a year. Our latest update on Palantir brings you this headline: Palantir stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Friday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 17, 2023, the Palantir stock price increased by 3.64%, moving from $19.77 to $20.49. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 4.69%, reaching a low of $19.66 and a high of $20.58. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, marking an overall increase of 8.47% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also increased on the last day, indicating a positive technical sign. A total of 23 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in 68 million shares bought and sold, totaling approximately $1.40 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price was $20.58, while the lowest was $5.84. Currently, the price stands at 0.44% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $0.0900, and 54.47% below the all-time high on January 27, 2021, when it reached $45. Analyst ratings for PLTR. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley rated PLTR as underweight with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush rated PLTR as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Goldman Sachs rated PLTR as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general rating of buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's talk about the signals for Palantir stock. The stock is showing positive forecasts as it holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. There's also a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there will be support at $19.69 and $17.34. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. We observed a buy signal from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 30, 2023, resulting in a 39.48% increase so far. It's expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals you might find useful for your investing strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands are also indicating a buy signal 30 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we see a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal 13 days ago. And if we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 11 days ago. Now, let's dive into the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average is also showing a buy signal 13 days ago. And the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Let's talk about the support levels for Palantir's stock. Currently, there are two support levels just below today's level at $18.89 and $17.97. When a stock is testing a support level, there's always a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $18.89 is broken, the next support level will be at $17.97 and $17.61. It's important to note that Palantir's stock is considered high risk due to its volatility. The stock has the potential to move significantly during the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a 92-cent difference between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 4.69% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.53%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Palantir's P/E ratio is quite high, suggesting that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have high P/E ratios. Moving on to other news, Palantir's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings per share are at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. When analyzing the stock, we can see that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $18.89. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sell of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2023, Wershing Eric H., conducted an insider sell of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2023, Teal Peter conducted an insider buy of 3,330,804 shares of Class A common stock. On November 14, 2023, Teal Peter conducted an insider sell of 3,330,804 shares of Class B common stock. On November 1, 2023, Moore Alexander D. conducted an insider sell of 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -14.346. Overall, insiders purchased 14,985,221 shares and sold 20,166,564 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $19.82 with a decrease of 3.26%. This stock exhibits high daily movements, which in turn brings about a higher level of risk. Furthermore, the RSI 14 is at 87, significantly increasing the risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 14 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? While Palantir holds several positive signals, we believe it is best to consider it as a hold candidate at the current level. We recommend holding or accumulating this stock while waiting for further development. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 20th, we anticipate Palantir to open down $0.247 and start trading at $20.24. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for the stock is. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates. Your trading success is our utmost priority. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.